Hey everyone, welcome back to Crown Geek. In this video, I will be explaining that how to fix a Steam application not opening, not launching on Windows 10 or Windows 11. The first thing that you have to do, just make a right click on the taskbar on Windows 10 to bring up the task manager. And on Windows 11, you can use the shortcut key that is Control, Shift and Delete. So once task manager comes up from the top end menu, click on the details tab and look for the Steam application. So scroll down and here you'll find steam.exe. Just make a right click on it and choose end process tree. So make sure you choose end process tree because this will be closing, force quitting all kind of Steam related application. So just click on it, then choose end process tree. Now then the next step, make sure that your Windows is up to date because sometimes because of outdated Windows, the problem can be. So on the Windows search, just type update, then click on check for updates. The Windows update box will now be coming up, and now you can see in my case it says the restart is required. So probably you need to restart your PC so that it can complete the updation of the Windows. Now if you get check for update option, then click on it and check for updates. Alright, so follow the instructions, let the computer update, and once it's been done, now in the final step, you have to clear the cache of Steam. So press the Windows and R key to bring up the run box. And here you have to paste the command that you will be getting in the description. This is to clear the cache of the Steam application. Once you type in, then click on OK. Now the Steam clear download cache folder will now be up. You just need to click on OK, and it clearly says this will clear your local download cache and you will need to log in to your Steam again. So make sure that you remember your login credential like your password and user account. So once done, just click on OK. And this will be deleting, and now the page will be coming up. The Steam will ask you to log in. So simply log in with your Steam account and the problem will be fixed. So hopefully this will work for you guys, and if yes, make sure please hit the like and subscribe to the channel for more related videos in the future. Bye bye.